Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to cook striped bass. First, let's get our fish ready. Begin by thoroughly cleaning and scaling your striped bass, making sure to remove all entrails. Once clean, pat the fish completely dry with paper towels. This is crucial for achieving that desirable crispy skin. Finally, lightly score the skin a few times on each side. This simple step helps the fish cook more evenly and allows your seasonings to penetrate deeper, enhancing the flavor. Now that our striped bass is prepped, it's time to infuse it with flavor. Season both the inside and outside generously with sea salt and freshly ground black pepper. Don't be shy. For an extra burst of freshness, tuck a few slices of lemon or lime into the fish's cavity. A light drizzle of good quality olive oil over the entire fish will help the seasoning stick and contribute to a beautiful golden brown crust when cooked. This combination creates a truly delicious experience. There are several fantastic ways to cook striped bass, each offering a unique texture and taste. For a crispy skin, pan-sear your fish on medium-high heat for about 3 to 5 minutes per side, depending on thickness. If you prefer a lighter approach, baking at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 to 20 minutes works wonderfully. Or, for a smoky essence, grill it over medium heat for 6 to 8 minutes per side. Choose the method that best suits your preference and equipment. Knowing when your striped bass is perfectly cooked is key to a delicious meal. The easiest way to check is by inserting a fork into the thickest part of the fish. It should flake easily. For precision, an instant-read thermometer should register 145 degrees Fahrenheit. Once cooked, let it rest for a minute or two before serving. Enjoy your perfectly cooked striped bass immediately, perhaps with a squeeze of fresh lemon and a side of your favorite seasonal vegetables. Bon appetit!
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.